Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get email notifications on Android. To get email notifications on your Android device, follow these steps to ensure your email app is set up properly to send notifications. Now, let us set up your email app. Open the Gmail app, tap the three lines in the top left corner, scroll down, and choose Settings. Choose your email account, then scroll to the Notification section and select All to receive notifications for all emails. High Priority Only to receive notifications for important emails. Now, how about adjusting Android notification settings? Open your device's Settings app, go to Apps Notifications, scroll to find your email app, for example, Gmail, and tap on it. Ensure Allow Notifications is toggled on. Customize notification categories. Make sure to choose Lock Screen and Pop-up and Notification Styles. By following these steps, you should receive email notifications reliably on your Android device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.